Well, that's it. Out of gas. This is the farthest we make it. So this is our breakout spot. Yay.
Cool.
So I guess we'll just pull out all our gear and set up camp. What'd you bring?
What did you bring?
No, what did you bring? I told you to get the gear. I was getting the Jeep.
I didn't bring any gear.
Uh-oh.
There's got to be something in here. Hey, wait. What's this?
Oh, perfect. This is our American Reserves ready to go backpack, an emergency backpack. I forgot to put it in the Jeep. So it's going to save the day.
And it's great because this bag has all the things you need, all the basic stuff for an emergency. So we're going to go through it and show you what it has.
So first off, there's lots and lots of pockets on here, so you can add your own gear. Although we're going to find just the main pocket has stuff in there right now. Has place for drinks on the sides. Beautiful little pockets on the front. Outstanding.
Let's see what we have. First off, it looks like we have some freeze-dried food, a lot of it. Awesome. Then we have a bunch of little things, all the way from medical stuff to matches, emergency blankets, and a cup and tissues. Oh, yeah, I see some playing cards. And then we have, what's this? Ooh, bagged water. You always need extra water.
First off, let's talk about the water. It has all these little handy bags of water, which is nice. Let's see. SOS Food Lab, emergency drinking water, and there's just over 4 ounces, 125 mils. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of these. That'll come in really handy.
This is the bag I am really looking forward to. All kinds of food options. All right, first we have brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal. Milk alternative. Ooh. Oh, sounds like there's a woodpecker out there. Southern rice and beans. Oh, yum yum. Apple cinnamon cereal. Creamy pasta and veggie. Ooh, that one sounds really good. And then hearty tortilla soup. Oh, cool. There are instructions and directions of making all the food.
Okay, now my favorite, all the doodads. Let's see what's in here. We have, first off, a silver color emergency blanket. These work very well. Nice. We have a garbage bag, which is actually more important than you think it is. You wouldn't think that would be important, but it is. An emergency rain poncho. Oh, I like these. It's a 5-function whistle. Has a whistle, compass, signal mirror, capsule, and flint all in one. A box of tissues in case you have allergies out in the woods. That's nice. A mask. This is good for urban, by the way. You want to have this in case, like, buildings start going down, fires and stuff. There's nothing worse than having your lungs burning as you're trying to get out of a situation. So that's a good thing. Not as good as a pack of playing cards, though, because if you are like bugging out or just trying to get home with this bag for a few days, at night when you sit down and relax for a little bit before you go to sleep, playing some cards is good. Oh, I love these. It's a collapsible camp stove. These things are really small. They pack a wallop, and they actually have little fuel tablets which are very easy to light and will work great in preparing all the food. And it even comes with more matches, waterproof ones. We have a 39-piece first aid emergency kit, 10 Band-Aids small, 10 Band-Aids large, 2 gauze pads, 3 cleansing pads with alcohol, a butterfly, 10 cotton tips, and 3 antiseptic cleansing wipes. Perfect. A piece of paper that, has aqua tabs in here. I don't see them yet. But the aqua tabs so you can actually cleanse more water. So let's say you have a creek nearby, you run out of your 5 little things of water, you can actually clean more water so you can have more water to drink or produce with the food, cook with the food. And here's more solid fuel tablets to go along with the stove. So with the stove and the tablets, you can actually make a few meals with it. Here's the aqua tabs. This is actually really smart. So instead of having big jars of them, they have individual servings. Just put it in, get some water in your jar, and you put this stuff in there. It doesn't say how big it is. I'm sure it's on that piece of paper we looked at, as far as how much water. Yeah, I'm sure it's there anyway. It's there. We have a squeeze light. I love these, by the way. We have all these for our kids and for our family. I'll go and pull this one out. These are nice because the squeeze lights Ooh, it's a gray one. I don't have any gray ones. Are nice for the kids. So instead of actually trying to crank all the time or using up your batteries, you just squeeze it. Take two. And then you can turn it on and we're good to go. I love these, especially for kids, but you know, for adults too. It's kind of loud. If there's some kind of like predator coming after you, may not want to do it, but it's easy to charge up. And again, for kids, it's a perfect thing to have. Then lastly, the most important thing of them all, a cup. Now, again, there's lots of extra pockets on the bag. I would recommend, as you put other things in there to make the bag more personal to you, probably put some single serve coffee packs in there. Or for me, like some Earl Grey tea bags. So that way, it's not just water sometimes. There's nothing like in the morning or in the evening, you want to sit down and relax and have like a nice cup of coffee or tea. And you have the perfect little metal can to make that happen. So for a very basic set, this is outstanding. So we have the water, we have the food, always good stuff. Lots of different gear, things you would need. But one of my favorite things is the bag. Again, it literally is set up so you can put more stuff on there and add some things on your own. But you know, today we're just going to test it out and see what it's like to simply just use what we have here. We'll make some dishes, and I'm sure it's going to be good. What do you think?
Oh yeah. First, the collapsible stove. These are great because they're super lightweight, they're small, compactable, and we're going to open it up. Ah. Next up, 4 fuel tablets. We only need 1 right now. So we're gonna open it up and use one to make some food. Oh, I had this upside down. There you go. And right in the middle. Now we're gonna light it. Grab one of our handy dandy matches. Ooh, nice.
All right, time to prepare the food. We decided we're gonna go with a hearty tortilla soup. This is something we've already tried on a live stream, and it's fantastic. Ashley makes tortilla soup all the time, and it tastes just like brand new fresh tortilla soup, even though this is freeze dried or dehydrated, you know, think of it that way. And by the way, American Reserves has all kinds of foods that you can get, from drinks and desserts to milk. It's amazing. So, and by the way, we tried a lot of them, and everyone we've tried so far has been fantastic. All right, so the size of this cup, I'll be honest with you, is not going to do this whole bag. But you know, if it's just you and that backpack bugging out, that's probably a good thing. So I'm going to take one of the waters, just one, pop her open, and pour it inside here. So that's not a whole lot, but, so again, you would need numerous of these bags for an entire pack of tortilla soup, which I'm not going to do. I'm simply going ahead and just make a little of it, because here's the thing, if you're bugging out and it's just you in this bag, you can make this one bag go through multiple servings instead of simply just in one. If you have like a whole family, obviously one bag's not going to be perfect for a whole family. You want to have a lot more food than that, and of course use a bigger pot that you'll take with you also. All right, so let's get this on the stove and get it heated up.
All right, looks like we're good to go. We'll put it on. Okay, while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's check out more stuff in the bag.
First up, we have our little 5-in-1 whistle. This is great, so it whistles. Help, I need help over here. We also have a compass, so we can see which direction is north. This unscrews, which is nice. It's a place to put matches and such in there. On the top, it has a little signal mirror, which is kind of neat. And the last thing it has, and this is sealed by the way with a rubber seal so your matches won't get wet. And then we also have a little piece of flint, so if you have a piece of striking metal, you can start a fire. I love these things.
Now we're going to check out the first aid emergency kit. All right, we have Q-tips, cleaning wipes, more cleaning wipes, alcohol pads, important, Band-Aids, including a butterfly, gauze swabs, and a handy case.
Next up, a deck of Z playing cards, which is always good. You know, actually having some kind of relaxing thing in an emergency situation is important because you have to be able to unwind and be ready for all contingencies. So all jokers included, we're good to go.
This is amazing. It only took about 3 minutes and the water is already boiling. Okay, I'm only gonna put a little bit in.
So it's time to eat. Did you bring a fork?
I told you I didn't bring anything. I don't have any forks.
All right, what are we supposed to do now?
I mean, I have a knife.
What are you gonna do with that?
You'll see. Ta-da!
Where'd you get that? That's a plastic fork.
I was whittling a plastic tree.
All done. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, wait a second. It's a soup. Why didn't you whittle a spoon?
My woodshop class only told me how to make forks.
Great. All right. I'll give it a try.
Delicious.
That's really good.
Look how thick and delicious this is.
I love tortilla soup anyway. But I'll say it again. Every American Reserves food we've made so far, which we're talking about a lot of them, have been outstanding. There we go. The American Reserves emergency bag. I love it for the fact that it has all the basic necessities, all prepared for you, ready to go. Even if you didn't add anything else to it, it can do very well for you. And look in the description below. You can click on the link. And last I checked, they were on sale too. But even better, since it has all these zip pockets, there's a lot of room in here still. It certainly is made so you can add a lot of your own personal stuff to it. So I'll say it again, American Reserves, we love the company. It's one of our sponsors. And honestly, in reality, they have the best products, food products, survival products. There's all kinds of stuff. Go check out their website and pick up this backpack today. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.